Just installed my RSG Roll Bar AP2 2004 S2000. Just want to show you how it looks. Got the center console on there. I got the double diagonal. Got my GoPro mount. Check it out. Right there in the middle. I might put it in the center, but I gotta see how the hardtop fits. Not much space here. Managed to get the center console on there. A little trimming here and there, but this is how it looks. If you're curious, put a little pad in the middle. I secured it with cable ties. Install was pretty straightforward. Had to do a lot of drilling. Fitment is pretty good. Had to put a little foam right there. Check it out. See? Recaro pole position. Recaro pole position. Probably best damn seat you can put in here. That's my custom red foam. I'm using the factory Recaro sliders with a planted seat bracket. It sits a little high, but it's okay. I got a lower foam, smaller foam on there, so that helps. Now we just gotta wait for Saturday, Buttonwillow, test this thing out. I got the sparkle harness hidden back there. Not quite ready yet. Here's the front view. I know a lot of videos out there just shows the bar installed, but I want to get some close-up so you could see what's going on.